Hey everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Is your Epson ET-3850 struggling with a paper jam issue? Well, you don't need a technician to fix the issue. You just have to inspect the internal component of your printer. Wondering how to do it? In today's video, I'll show you how to inspect and remove jam papers from your printer. So let's get started. While your printer is on, remove the power cord from the printer's back. Now, from the slot on the printer's left, lift the scanner's unit. Take a look at the inside area for any jam papers and gently take them out if you find any. Close the scanner unit. Go to the printer's back and press the two tabs inward to open the rear cover. Now, inspect the duplexer and inside parts of the printer for any stuck pieces of paper. Once everything seems fine, insert the rear cover.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.